That hurt me. Oh, he's holding his ground. Look at you, you see that? He's holding his ground. Oh God. Ow! Ow! That tusk hit me right there.
Oh.
On the elbow.
Good, get
Charlie horse.
Reminds me of an elephant when he just locks his head back and forth like that.
Charlie, I see some deer.
Oh, look, there we go. I didn't know it had light.
Charlie horse. Getting better. It didn't puncture anything. Hi, buddy.
I didn't know it had light for the video.
Huh?
I didn't know it had light for the video.
Let's go.
Yeah, because I wasn't seeing too much. Of course, he was noisy.
Some mouthfuls. You're gonna have to get a drink soon. Shoving all that hay in his mouth.
Well, let's get it.
Some of this is molding. It's usually still outside.